Hello, and welcome to another Pentek training video. Today we will take a look at spanner wrenches. These wrenches are useful accessories for loosening the filter housing sump when changing cartridges. There are 6 different spanner wrenches offered through the Pentek product line. Each of the 6 wrenches is sized to fit a specific family of filter housing. The smallest of the wrenches is the SW1A, designed to fit all 3/8" slimline and compact housing. The SW1A has an overall length of 11.5 inches with an ID of 4.25 inches. This wrench is sold under the following part and model numbers. The second spanner wrench is the SW2, used on all 3/4 inch standard and 3G filter housings. The overall length is 12 inches with an ID of 4.75 inches. This wrench is available under the following part and model numbers. The third within our spanner wrench series is the SW3, used on all opaque 10-inch Big Blue filter housings. The SW3 overall length is 13 inches with an ID of 5.75 inches. This wrench is available under the following part and model numbers. The fourth spanner wrench is the SW4, and it is used on Pentek heavy-duty 20-inch opaque Big Blue filter housings. The overall length of the SW4 is 13 inches with an ID of 6 inches. This wrench is available under the following part and model numbers. The next wrench in the Pentek line is the SW5. It has an overall length of 9 3/4 inch with an ID of 3.5 inches. The SW5 is used with RO and dual filtration systems. The SW5 can be found under the following part and model numbers. Our 6th and final spanner wrench in today's video is the BWBC wrench, which is used on 10-inch Big Clear and Big White housings. The BWBC wrench has an overall length of 13 inches with an ID of 5.75 inches. This wrench is sold through the Pentek product line under the following part and model number. As stated earlier in this video, the spanner wrench's main purpose is to loosen the filter housing sump when changing cartridges. It is not recommended to use spanner wrenches when reinstalling the sump with new cartridges. In most cases, with a properly lubricated O-ring on the sump, hand tightening is all that is necessary to successfully reinstall the sump in a leak-free manner. Caution: over-tightening the sump with the spanner wrench when reinstalling can make it extremely difficult to remove the sump at next required filter change. If it is necessary to use a spanner wrench during reinstallation of sump, use the following procedure. Install empty sump on housing and tighten by hand as far as possible. Turn on the water, verifying there are no leaks. Then put a piece of masking tape, which will bridge the filter head and the sump. After that, depressurize the filter housing and remove the sump and install a new cartridge. Be sure to hand tighten as far as possible. If the 2 pieces of tape do not line up, use a wrench to tighten it up until the tape does line up. The spanner wrenches are very useful and inexpensive accessories that will make cartridge replacement much easier. For further information on spanner wrenches or on any Pentek products, please call 1-800-279-9404. Or for any other information, please go online to www.pentairaqua.com.